about Mexico. Thank you so much for believing in me. I believe in every single one of you. And when they ask you, how was the Monster Ball, you tell them she didn't want us to love her. She wanted us to love ourselves. You're so beautiful. Yeah! Give me one star! I don't know what I'm gonna do. You see, I told my friends about the Monster Ball. I told them that the Monster Ball would set them free. Isn't that funny, that sign over there for the bathroom? How the hell are you going to get all the way over there? You can just pee right where you are. I did that once at a festival. I couldn't get out of the crowd. It was at a Radiohead concert. I couldn't get to the bathroom, so I just took a piss in my pants. Some people are just really passionate about music. I couldn't miss one song. So I told my friends about the Monster Ball. I told them that it would set them free. So we got into my car, but my car broke down in Brooklyn. So then I took them on the subway, which always gets me where I need to go, but the subway left us off in this very strange place, somewhere between my home and Mexico City. So I'm not really sure where we are. Do you think I can ask my friends for some help? You know, my deepest and most loyal friends. Is that a unicorn in the audience?